Hello students, welcome to PraescioEdu. This is scholarship exam standard 5th online class, subject mathematics, and the main topic we are going to start here from this video, the face value and the place value of digits in a number and expanded form. In this video, the lecture will be there on particularly this face value, place value and their expanded form, and after that one we will go through the some examples to understand the exactly fundamentals. So what exactly the face value? The face value in a number, so face value means any digit in a number is the digit itself. Okay, this is the face value. Means if suppose there is a 45, this is the number. Okay, so what is the face value at the unit place? Okay, this is the unit place, so at this unit place the face value is the 5, this digit itself. Then the 4 is the face value at the tens place. Okay, so the face value is the 4 here. Like this one, the digit itself at that particularly the location or that tens or hundreds place, that is called the face value. Now what exactly the place value? The place value of the digit in a number is determined by its position in a number. Okay, position means now here what exactly the position of here? Unit place. This is the unit place. So what exactly the position here? The 1. Okay, unit place. Now here what is the place value? Place value means here the position is the tens position, and with the multiplication of this 4 means a face value, the place value at this place or at this position is the 40. Okay, means the tens position 10 and multiply by this face value 4. So what is the answer? 40. Okay, like this one, suppose there is a 150, this is the number. Now what is the one place value? Here the face value is the 1 and the place value means at the position of the 100. Okay, this is the hundreds position. Okay, so at this one the 100 multiply by this face value. What is the face value? 1. So the place value will be the 100 here. Okay, we will elaborately understand this completely terms. So exactly the positions means the stages, unit, then tens, then hundreds. In the last video also we are understanding the places, the unit place, tens place, hundreds, then thousand, then 10,000, then lakhs, then 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores and abja. So if we see this one, all are these are the particularly the place value of particularly that positions, that place. Okay, so abja means what exactly? Suppose 1 abja, so this is the exactly the place value of the 1 abja. Suppose there is a face value at the abja is the, suppose example 6, so 6 will multiply by this exactly the abja means this place value, so 6 abja will comes. Like this one, all are the expanded. Means suppose here the 100, at the 100 which is the place value? Place value is the hundreds. Okay, multiply by that face value, that will comes the place value. The position is the 100 of this particularly place, 100 place. Okay, so with some example we will try to understand. Now the same table here, grouping 1 2 3 4 and 5 up to the abj from the unit. Now this is the example. Last video also we have taken the same number. For your understanding purpose I carried the same number here also. Okay, so now here 1 is that the unit place. Okay, here the unit place. So what is the face value? Face is the 1, this is the 1 digit. Okay, and the place is the here the unit. Okay, so what is the place value? Place value here the 1 multiplied by this unit 1 means the 1. Now here 2, at the 2 this is the position is the tens position. Okay, means multiplication of the 10, and the face value here is the 2, this digit. Okay, this is the digit, this 2 is the digit which is at the position tens position. So at the tens position means 10 multiply by with this face value 2, so the 20 will come. So 20 is the place value of that particularly this position. Okay, now comes to the 5. Now 5 is the face value. Okay, this is the face value. this face value, and 5 is the position of 100. So if we have to calculate the place value, the place is the 100, okay, position is the hundreds, but the if place value means face value multiplied by the 100 position, okay, so 100 multiplied by this face value, so will comes the place value. So don't confuse the place value and the face value. Face is the only digit, okay, the only whatever the here 2 is the digit that face value, here the 7 that digit is face value. Now here suppose 7 is here the face value is the 7, the place value means from this unit to this one, means from the unit to the lakh, okay, the position here the lakhs position, okay, lakhs position multiplied by this face value, then comes is the place value, means 700 thousands and then 000, okay, means if we go through the tens, sorry, lakhs means position multiplied by this face value, means face value multiplied by this lakhs, okay. Now this comes the 7 lakh, which is the place value, okay, place value. Like this one, all the number have their place values, and if you segregate or if you separated all the place values, you will get the expanded format of the this complete number. Okay, so we are going to expand all this one, like this one the same number I have written here. Now 1 is that the unit, okay, the face value is the 1 and place value is the 1 multiplied by unit, so means 1, so the answer will be the 1, so that's why here the 1 place value. Now the 2 is the face value 2 and the position is the 10 and multiply by this face value multiply by 2, so place value will comes the 20, so that's why we added the 20. Okay, like this one all means here the 500 will comes, so we are make the 500 here, okay, then 0 as it is, because the face value is the 0 and the place value means 0 multiplied by these thousands, okay, so the answer will 0 multiplied by something number means the 0, so that's why we are maintaining here the 0. Like this one, this is the 20,000, so face value is the 2 means that digit, and the place value is the position is the 10,000 multiply by this face value 2, so that's why this is the 20,000, and now we have added this one. So whatever this complete number is written in this format, so this is called the expanded format. Okay, if you added all these one, means suppose 000 addition with the 1, so 1 comes, again the 000 1, sorry, here 2, the 2 comes, then 5, then 0 as it is, then 2, then 7, then 9, 4, 3 and 7, so this will comes, okay, means this number is expanded with the place values, so that is called expansion format, okay, or expansion form of that particular number. Okay, I hope you understand. So but till we are going to deep somewhat be each some examples. Suppose this is a number 1023 means 1023, this is the number. Now in this one, these three have the face value 3, this digit, this is the digit, we are not looking its position. Okay, if we are going to make look at its position, means the unit, here the position is the unit, so unit means the 1. Okay, here the tens means the 10, here the 100 means here the 100 means its position is the 100. Okay, so 3 is the face value and multiply by with its position means unit position 1, so will get the 3 means the place value in this example. Now in another number example here, the 76 lakh 42,000, in this one we are going to look the 4 digits here. The digit 4 is the face value and the 4 in this complete number, so the 4 at the position means which one is the 10,000's position, so that's why here the 10,000 multiply by this face value. Okay, So this is the face value, means the digit. So will comes the 40,000. So 40,000 is the place value of that particularly 4 digits position or face values position. Okay, or place value. So this is the 40,000 is the place value for that particularly 4. Again, some example we will look out. Here the 9 crore 27 lakh 15,230. In this one 7 digit, we will look out at this 7 digit. So 7 at the digit, 7 is the face value. And what is the place value at this 7? We have to count from the unit, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, and this is the lakh. Okay, so lakh is the position of that particularly location, means the place position. So 10, here the 1 lakh. Okay, here the lakh, and the face value is the 7. So 7 multiplied by 1 lakh means 7 lakh. This is the place value. Okay, the position is the lakh position. Okay, so like this one, all the number we can expand it, we can separate it with its place values at particularly with the digits. Same as here, 11,931. This is the number. In this one, 9 digit is the face value, and at this one, the position, the place value is hundreds is the position. So that's 100 multiplied by this face value means the digit is the 9. So that's why 9 multiplied by 100 is the 900. I hope you understand. With some examples, we will elaborate complete topic. The question one is the what is the place value of digit 7 in a number. So in this number the 7 digits, so 7 digit is here, means 7 lakh. Okay, as per the comma, one unit, then tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, and this is the lakh. Choose from the following options. So here 7 lakhs, so A is the correct one. Then 1 lakh multiplied by 7. Okay, so same. The place values are here, the 7 lakh, and here also 7 multiplied. This is the just multiplication. Means this is the position multiplied by this face value. So B is the correct one. But here the 70,000. So C is not a correct of this place values. Okay, so the option 1, A is the right. Okay, A is the right, but what about the B? So in option they are not mentioned about the B, so that's why this option is incorrect. Now position option 2, B is right. Okay, but what about the A? A is not mentioned and C is also not mentioned here. So option 2 is the incorrect one. Now here A and B are right. Okay, so this option is the correct one. A and B are right. Okay, then option 4, A and C are right. No, C is not right. So that's why this option also incorrect one. So the correct one is the option number 3. Now question number 2, which digit in a number, this is the number, has lowest place value, lowest place value. Now place value is the that digit come particularly at that number, in that one the digit multiplied by its position. Okay, so what is the position here, the unit place. Okay, what is the place here, the unit place, means the multiplication by the 1. Okay, so digit multiplication by 1. So here the 9 comes. So as the digits are going above, means higher, and their place values multiples, so the number value is the also in expansion form we are calculating. Question is asking us the lowest place value. Of course the unit will be the comes at the place value which is the lowest place value in a number. So that's why this digit is the 9 is the correct option. So 9 is given in option number 2. So question number 3, which of the digit in a number has minimum face value. Face value, we are not counted about the place value. Now here the face value means only about the digit we have to look up. Here the which digit is the smaller one, the 2 is the digit smaller one. Okay, not about the place value, we are not looking for the place value, we are looking for the only the digit, because they are asking the minimum face value. So 2 is the smaller digit, or we can say the smaller face value. So option number 4 is the correct one. Identify the number from the given expanded form. Now this is the expanded form we have given. Now in this one, if you see the 50 lakh, okay, we will make an addition of this one, 50 lakh and then 4 lakh. Okay, so 50 lakh and 4 lakh means 54 lakh. Okay, or we can directly add directly here, make addition then 4 lakh, here 10 missing, 4 lakh, okay, then 30,000, so 30,000, 9,000, then 200, then 60, and then 8. If you added these all this one, so 8, 6, 2, 9, 3, 4, and 5. So 8, then 6, then 2, then 9 and 3, 9, then 3, then 4, and then 5, means 54 lakh 39,268. Now this is available in our option. This is the 600, here the 200 required, so this is the incorrect one. This 54 lakh 39,260, yes, option number 2 is the correct one. Here the smaller number, so now, and here the bigger number, so this is option also incorrect one, so option number 2 is the correct one. So student, we will see the next examples in next video. Till then, bye.